Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Yenn. Today, I will be showing you how to make your very own lava lamp. The things that we need are really simple. An empty bottle, preferably something tall. About 3 tablespoons of baking soda. About 3/4 cup of cooking oil. Some vinegar. And some food coloring. Now that we have our materials ready, take the food coloring and mix it with the vinegar. Next, take the empty bottle and pour in the baking soda, followed by the cooking oil. Finally, take the cup of food coloring with vinegar and pour it into the bottle. Look at how beautiful it is! When making this lava lamp, you should not let the baking soda sit in the oil for too long, as the oil will be absorbed into the baking soda, and your lava lamp would not work. I hope you enjoyed making your very own lava lamp. Have a great time with your family and be mesmerized by the way vinegar and baking soda reacts when they are mixed together. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon. Bye!